This is Viidakkokuja 3 staircase A in Koivukylä, Jakvi, Vantaa, Finland. This would be junior graded in Swedish. I think it has a Swedish name. This.
Yeah.
5 floors. In 2010, H71458, 8% of 630.
Are you doing one ride?
Yeah, one ride will be enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you find a good dashboard?
Yeah, it's broken.
And scratched.
And that door should be also fixed.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I hope they will fix it.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in next year, 2020. 20 years old in 2022.
And some Kone are already like 20 years old, which feels very strange because
yeah,
they are so modern.
98 and 99.
Yeah.
They're
just so modern that they don't feel like they are like 20 years old.
Yeah.
No, and Mola Space will be 25 in 2021, so...
Yeah.
Ska mä tippaa, jos taas me tippaa sillä. That's it.